Hello, friends and followers. So I've been dipping back into the past, trying to get this old shortwave radio to work. And I haven't succeeded yet, unfortunately, but it's been crazy going back in the past. These radios have things called tubes in them, which are sort of like considered to be old transistors that get hot. I took the radio apart out of its cabinet, and I used to fix radios for a living a long time ago, and so I have been bustling around in here. I did replace a few tubes, so I was able to replace these tubes here. It didn't make much of a difference, and these radios need a long antenna, so I did put an extension cord out the window here to see if it would work, and it does pick up on AM well. It doesn't pick up much on FM, so I know the radio is sideways, I apologize for that, but I can go to AM here now, and it works pretty well. Turn off the BFO here, and lots of static. But it does work. If I go here to shortwave band 1, which is saying 5.0 megahertz to 14 megahertz, all I get static. I don't hear anything on here at all. I kind of wonder if there's like electrical interference here or something with a buzzing sound that I can't hear anything. Shortwave band 2 is 5.0 megahertz down to 14, and this band's a lot quieter, but I still can't pick up a thing. So I think this radio is way out of alignment. And if I go to SW3 here, turn the volume back up, it's here, it's all the way up. I don't hear a thing here either. And I've tried trimming this radio with the antenna trimmers. So here, there are some trimmers you can touch. And like say I go back here to say SW1. You hear all that racket there. So that's coming into the antenna. And I can trim that band with this trimmer here. And if I turn this, the sound will become less, greater, less. So you tune it for the most static. And on the next band, SW2, I can do the same thing with this trimmer here. Well, there's a little more. Here it has a little more static there on SW2. Try the same thing with SW3. This one's really quiet. There's the trimmers for SW3, right there. Can't hear a thing. Not a thing. Let's try and increase it here. I did change some tubes, and boy, this is worse than it was. There's some slight static right there, if you can hear it. Let's try this trimmer here again. Yep, not too good. Okay, well, that's about it for this old radio. I don't know. I'm disappointed when I bought this thing and fooling with it. It's kind of wasting time. I haven't really had much progress with it to date. I don't think I want to make it a major project, so not sure. Now I know that in my childhood when I had this thing, I used to think it worked pretty good, and maybe it did, but this one doesn't. I still have some work to do. Okay, thanks for watching and have a great day.